In this video, I'll show you two options for work tables that I created in order to be flexible in my workspace. Option number one is a work table that you can completely break down using sawhorses that are readily available in hardware stores. I've modified these by adding custom-built blocks to raise the table to my waist height. This allows me to work ergonomically without bending too much and straining. As you can see, these blocks raise the work table surface and provide the appropriate cross supports for a 4x8 sheet of plywood to sit on top. This is an up-close 360-degree view of the raised blocks. These raised blocks can be built to meet any of the sawhorses that are available in hardware stores. Next, we'll install the cross supports. I made these cross supports from 3/4 inch plywood, glued together, and cut to resemble a 2 inch by 4 inch by 8 foot long board. This will allow solid cross supports so I can put the 4 foot by 8 foot sheet of plywood on top. For ease of use, what I've done is I've cut the 4 by 8 sheet of plywood in half. So it's actually 2 foot by 8 foot. And I put both pieces on top. It makes for a solid work surface, and it allows for me to ergonomically be able to move it around. I've used this table, this setup, for many years. Next, we move on to option two. This is a very flexible and versatile option. With removing 4 bolts, the legs easily come out. There's 2 sheets of 4 by 8 plywood stacked together, which gives you 3 levels of surfaces. You have the floor, which you can store boxes, tools, anything that you want, an extra work cabinet. Then you have the top surface, which is your main work surface. And then you have the middle, the lower storage area for your tools, supplies, and equipment. You have both vertical and horizontal storage, which gives you a lot of versatility and flexibility. This allows you to completely set up a table with your equipment and level it so that things don't roll off. As you can see, each leg has 4 adjustable leveling feet, which allows you to level the table front and back, left and right, so you have a completely level surface for doing your crafts, woodworking, glass fusing, whatever you're doing. So let's go out and work safely and ergonomically. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. I look forward to reading your comments. Thank you.